What if I told you you're losing money right now without even realizing it? Not from big obvious expenses, not from rent or subscriptions you forgot to cancel. No, this is quieter, invisible. It's happening behind your walls, inside your devices, and even in the air around you. Tiny leaks, wasted energy, hidden inefficiencies. And the worst part, you can't fix what you can't see. But today, that changes. Because in this video, we're diving into a set of powerful, smart gadgets designed to expose exactly where your money is slipping away and stop it for good. By the end, you won't just know where you're losing money, you'll have the tools to take it back. Let's get into it. Let's start with a simple truth. Most financial leaks don't look like leaks. They look like normal life. Your heater running a little longer than it should. Your appliances quietly pulling power even when turned off. A tiny water leak you can't hear, but your bill definitely can. Individually, these things seem harmless, but together, they can cost you hundreds, sometimes thousands of dollars every single year. And here's why this is so dangerous. Your brain isn't wired to notice gradual loss. If you lose $5 a day, it doesn't feel like much. But that's $150 a month, $1,800 a year, gone. So instead of guessing, hoping, or ignoring the problem, we're going to make the invisible visible. First up, energy monitors. These are easily one of the most underrated gadgets you can own, because right now, unless you're checking your electricity meter manually, which let's be honest, you're not, you have no idea where your power is actually going. A smart energy monitor changes that instantly. It connects directly to your electrical panel and tracks your home's energy usage in real time. And here's where it gets interesting. It doesn't just tell you how much energy you're using, it tells you what's using it. Your fridge, your AC, your gaming setup, even that old coffee maker you forgot about. Suddenly, you can see which devices are silently draining your wallet, and the results can be shocking. People often discover that a single outdated appliance is responsible for a massive chunk of their bill, or that turned off devices are still pulling power 24/7. This is called phantom load, and it's costing you more than you think. Your cable box alone might be drawing 20 watts continuously. That's $25 a year just sitting there. Your desktop computer in sleep mode, another $15 annually. These numbers add up fast. Once you see the data, you can take action. Replace inefficient devices, unplug energy vampires, shift usage to cheaper hours. Some energy monitors even integrate with time of use pricing, showing you exactly when electricity costs more, so you can avoid running high energy appliances during peak hours. And just like that, you're no longer guessing, you're optimizing. Now that you know which devices are the problem, what do you do about them? That's where smart plugs come in. These small, simple gadgets sit between your outlet and your device. But what they do is incredibly powerful. They give you control. With a smart plug, you can turn devices off remotely, schedule when they run, monitor energy usage down to the individual appliance. Think about this for a second. How many things in your home stay plugged in all day? TVS chargers, kitchen appliances, lamps. It's smarter and cheaper living, even when you're asleep. Even when you're not home. All of them quietly sipping electricity. A smart plug lets you shut that down automatically. Imagine your entire entertainment setup powering off at midnight every night without you touching a thing, or your office equipment only running during work hours, or your heater turning off the moment you leave the house. But here's where it gets really smart. Advanced smart plugs can detect when devices enter standby mode and cut power completely. Your TV says it's off, but it's still drawing 10 watts for instant on features. A smart plug eliminates that waste entirely. Some models even learn your patterns, automatically optimizing schedules based on your actual usage. Small changes, massive savings. Now let's talk about something even more dangerous than wasted electricity: hidden water leaks. Because water doesn't just increase your bill, it can destroy your home. And here's the scary part. Most leaks start small, silent, invisible, behind walls, under floors, beneath sinks. You won't notice them until the damage is already done. A tiny drip that seems harmless can waste over 3,000 gallons per year. That's $35 in water costs, plus potential thousands in damage. That's where smart water leak detectors come in. These devices sit in high-risk areas, under sinks, near washing machines, behind toilets, and constantly monitor for moisture. The moment they detect even a small leak, they send an alert straight to your phone, not hours later, not days later, immediately. Some advanced systems can even shut off your water supply automatically to prevent damage. Modern leak detectors use sensors that can differentiate between humidity spikes and actual water presence, reducing false alarms while catching real problems problems instantly. Think about what that means. Instead of a $10,000 repair, you catch the problem at $10. Instead of mold, rot, and structural damage, you get a quick fix. This isn't just about saving money, it's about avoiding financial disasters. Now we're stepping into something that feels almost futuristic: thermal cameras. These gadgets let you see heat, not metaphorically, literally. They show you temperature differences across surfaces, revealing things your eyes can't detect. And when it comes to saving money, they're game changers. With a thermal camera, you can find insulation gaps in your walls, detect drafts around windows and doors, spot overheating electronics before they fail, identify hidden moisture from leaks. Imagine pointing a small device at your wall and instantly seeing where heat is escaping. That's money leaving your home. Every cold spot, that's your heater working overtime. Every hot patch, that's inefficiency. Professional energy audits can cost $300 to $500, but a handheld thermal camera gives you the same insights for the price of the audit itself. You can spot electrical issues before they become expensive repairs. An overheating outlet shows up as a bright spot, warning you of potential fire hazards and energy waste. Inadequate insulation appears as color variations, showing exactly where to focus your improvements. Once you see it, you can fix it. Seal the gaps. Improve insulation. Reduce energy waste. It's like turning your house inside out without breaking a single wall. Here's one most people don't think about: the air inside your home. It might look clean. It might even smell fine, but that doesn't mean it is. Air quality monitors track things like dust particles, carbon dioxide levels, humidity, volatile organic compounds. Why does this matter for your wallet? Because poor air quality often forces your HVAC system to work harder. High humidity, your AC runs longer. Stale air, your ventilation system kicks in more often. Dust buildup, your filters clog faster. All of that means higher energy costs and more maintenance. When humidity levels creep above 60%, your air conditioner works overtime trying to dehumidify. When CO2 builds up, your system runs longer cycles to bring in fresh air. An air quality monitor gives you real-time data so you can adjust before things get expensive. Open a window, run a purifier only when needed. Balance humidity levels. Some monitors integrate with smart home systems, automatically triggering fans or air purifiers when thresholds are exceeded. It's smarter and cheaper living. If there's one device that consistently pays for itself, it's a smart thermostat, because heating and cooling make up a huge portion of your energy bill, and most of that energy wasted. Cooling an empty house, heating rooms no one's using, running at full power when half would do. A smart thermostat learns your habits. It knows when you're home, when you're away, when you're asleep, and it adjusts automatically. Lower energy use when you don't need it, comfort when you do. Some models even factor in weather forecasts and energy pricing to optimize your usage in real time. The average smart thermostat saves 10 to 15% on heating and cooling costs annually. For a typical household spending $1,200 yearly on climate control, that's $120 to $180 in savings. The thermostat pays for itself in under 2 years, then continues saving money for its entire lifespan. Advanced models use geofencing to detect when you're approaching home, pre-cooling or heating to your preferred temperature just before arrival. The result? Lower bills without sacrificing comfort. Here's the thing most people miss: none of these gadgets work in isolation. Their real power comes from combining them. Energy monitor plus smart plugs equals total control over electricity. Leak detectors plus thermal cameras equals complete visibility into hidden damage. Air monitors plus thermostats equals optimized environment and efficiency. When these systems work together, they create a comprehensive picture of your home's efficiency. Your energy monitor might detect unusual usage spikes that correlate with air quality issues your monitor identifies. Your thermal camera might reveal why your thermostat is working harder in certain areas. You're not just buying gadgets, you're building a system that watches what you can't, tracks what you miss, and fixes what would otherwise cost you. So here's the bottom line: you don't need to earn more money to improve your finances. Sometimes you just need to stop losing it. And the biggest leaks, they're the ones you never see, but now you know exactly how to find them, and more importantly, how to fix them. The initial investment in these gadgets typically ranges from $200 to $800 for a complete setup, but the annual savings can easily reach $500 to $1,000 or more. That's not just breaking even, that's building wealth by plugging the holes in your financial foundation. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button. It helps more than you think. Subscribe for more videos like this, where we break down smart tech that actually makes a difference in your daily life. And before you go, tell me in the comments, which of these gadgets surprised you the most? Because chances are it's already costing you money. See you in the next one.